Imagine seeing Earth as nothing more than a thin crescent in the darkness of space. Imagine witnessing a total solar eclipse from beyond our planet, with stars shining in the background. And imagine being the first humans in over 50 years to journey this far from home. This isn't science fiction. This is Artemis II, and NASA just released the most breathtaking photographs from humanity's return to the moon. Stay with us as we explore these historic images that are redefining what's possible in space exploration.
Welcome back to Unsolved Cosmos. I'm Kevin, and today we're diving into one of the most significant space exploration milestones of 2026. On April 1st, just days ago, NASA launched the Artemis II mission, a crewed lunar flyby that marks the first time humans have ventured beyond Earth's orbit since the Apollo era ended in 1972. Four extraordinary astronauts, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Canadian Space Agency member Jeremy Hansen, have traveled farther from Earth than any human in over 5 decades. But what makes this mission truly special isn't just the achievement itself. It's the photographs they've sent back. These images are unlike anything we've ever seen before, and they're reshaping our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. Let's break down what NASA has released and why these photos matter.
But if the Earthset is spectacular, what happens next in the photo sequence is absolutely unprecedented. The Artemis II crew witnessed and photographed a total solar eclipse, but not from Earth. They experienced it from 250,000 miles away, from the Orion spacecraft itself. This is one of the rarest sights in the entire history of human spaceflight. Think about how rare solar eclipses are on Earth. Most people live their entire lives without seeing one. But from space, the phenomenon becomes something entirely different. The photographs show the sun's brilliant white corona, its outer atmosphere, shining like a halo around the silhouette of the moon. Stars are visible in the background, shining through the darkness created by the moon's shadow. The contrast is stunning. Brilliant white light against absolute black. Astronaut Jeremy Hansen, the Canadian Space Agency mission specialist, described the moment with genuine awe. It's indescribable, absolutely spectacular, surreal, there's no adjectives. What makes this eclipse unique is the perspective. From Earth, during a total solar eclipse, the moon passes in front of the sun, casting a shadow on the ground. But from space, from the Orion spacecraft, the crew is essentially witnessing the event from the other side. They're seeing the sun's corona being blocked by the moon, a view that only a handful of humans have ever experienced. The images NASA released show the gradual progression of the eclipse as the Orion spacecraft moved through space. You can see the sun slowly being covered, the corona appearing, and then the sun re-emerging as the crew moved out of the moon's shadow. Scientists say these eclipse photographs will provide invaluable data about the sun's outer atmosphere and help researchers understand solar physics in ways that ground-based observations simply cannot.
The centerpiece of NASA's photo release is what scientists are calling the Earthset. Captured on April 6th at 6:41 p.m. Eastern Time as the Orion spacecraft passed over the far side of the moon. This single image is extraordinary for one reason. It shows our entire planet as a thin, delicate crescent hanging in the void of space. Picture this. The Orion crew is positioned over the lunar surface, with the moon dominating the foreground. Countless ancient craters, some tens of kilometers across, mark the barren landscape. And then, hanging above the moon's jagged horizon, is Earth. Not the massive, dominant sphere we're used to seeing from orbit. Instead, it appears as a fragile sliver of blue and white, with clouds visible over Australia and Oceania. This perspective is deliberately reminiscent of the iconic Earthrise photograph from Apollo 8 in 1968, the image that changed how humanity saw itself. That photo, taken from lunar orbit, transformed our environmental consciousness and became a symbol of our planet's fragility. The Artemis II Earthset takes this concept even further. The crew traveled 250,000 miles beyond Earth to the far side of the Moon, a distance 4 times greater than the Apollo 8 astronauts traveled. From this vantage point, Earth appears even smaller, even more delicate. Astronaut Reed Wiseman, the mission commander, described the moment as surreal and humbling. He spoke about how seeing Earth from this distance gives you an immediate perspective on the interconnectedness of all humanity and the importance of protecting our home. Scientists and environmental advocates are already calling this one of the most powerful images ever captured from space. A visual reminder that despite our differences on Earth, we all share one vulnerable planet.